This is an update to both the T5 Ultimate Rebuild Series and the road to Big SoCal Euro 24. Yesterday morning, engine is done. Data logging, sending tune files back and forth, making sure, breaking in the engine, putting some miles on it. But so far, everything has been looking good. So we will be updating the final 1 or 2 installment episodes of the Ultimate T5 Rebuild series. Show you guys what we found wrong when we ripped the engine back apart, what we did to remedy it, and also start updating the road to Big SoCal Euro 24, which is about 7 weeks away. A lot of work to do.